Alright guys, welcome back to another class. In today's lecture, I just want us to briefly take a look at what a website is. You must have been hearing website, what is it and what is it about? A website is just like a central storage location on the web server that houses several web pages. You can see a website as a book in a bookshop. You can see that bookshelf or that bookshop as a web server, and in terms of the web pages, you can see the web pages as each page of that particular book you are visiting. Maybe page 1 can just be like a table of contents, page 2 can be an introduction, like that. You can see it as a bookshop that has all the books in it. A web server is a software or hardware that uses HTTP, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and other protocols like HTTPS and the likes to respond to client requests made over the World Wide Web. And the main job of the web server is to display website contents through storing, processing, and delivering of web pages to users. So the website is just there as codes. You get, the website were actually written in codes in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, C# and any other language that may be used. Now those codes will now be stored on the web server. Then once anyone come to maybe a search query box and type in www.google.com, then it's now sending a request to the web server. The web server now takes those codes and actually return them to the client browser as images, as pictures, and as the data that were actually written and stored on the web server. Another job of the web server is that if you are trying to access an information that is encrypted from the actual source code, it is the work of the web server to allow you to type in a password, and then it tries to check if the password you are typing matches with what was used to encrypt it. If yes, then it spits out that particular web page that contains those contents to you, else it do something else. So those are the jobs of web servers. Then a web page is just like a single page of that particular book you are holding. So once you visit any web server, once you visit any website, those pages that keep loading from that website are known as the web pages. You cannot view all the pages of a website at once on one page. No, that one that is always coming after you send or you make a request is what we call a web page. So I hope you get a little understanding about what a website is, what are web servers, and what are web pages. If so, then I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.